The scale I set also need to be looked in its highest standard. Anyone who lives in his life without manipulating even one step of dharma lives enlightenment. The whole effort in my Gurukul I am doing is create at least few thousand beings who don't manipulate dharma. If they know this has to be done, it has to be done. If something is not done, we should know very clearly it is not required to be done. But if we are sure it is required, no question of manipulation or compromising. You know it is required and you manipulate, compromise. That is what I call karma, blind spot. The pattern of manipulating and compromising with the life of Advaita is karma. The pattern of coherently vibrating with the Advaitic thinking, being in sync, synergetic with Advaitic thinking is what I call dharma. Who knows the dharma and do not compromise, do not manipulate it. Lives enlightenment. Even if there is some simple manipulation, you are a Mahant and your Tanidar is supposed to come for a meeting and you missed integrity. You came 2 minutes late and you thinking, oh, he's after all my Tanidar, why should I need to complete with him? Be very clear, that is manipulation. Manipulation using your position. You forget your position as a Mahant itself came to you only because of your integrity, authenticity, responsibility and enriching. But after you sit in that position, not living the dharma, manipulating and compromising is what I call karma. I gave you one example. Even if you are in your office, you are a CEO and in a meeting, your junior most staffs, everyone has to come around 10 o'clock. You came 10 to, they were all waiting and you don't care about 2 minutes. Why should I apologize to them? Why should I complete with them? After all, they are my junior most staff and I pay them. Understand, you may be paying them, but you have no right to manipulate the law of life, the words you gave and your integrity. Integrity, authenticity, responsibility and enriching. These four are dharma which can never be manipulated or compromised. Any manipulation or compromise done in these four principles is karma. Please listen. If you are inefficient, if you are incompetent, to live these four principles of integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, work on completion and make yourself competent. Work on bringing more and more understanding, make yourself awakened.